Hey y'all, what is going on? I have not done a catfish and carp video this year, so decided today was as good of a day to do one as any. So I'm gonna try to get on some catfish and carp. Should be at least able to get on some carp. If we're lucky, we might be able to catch a catfish, so we'll see. Hopefully y'all enjoy. All right, y'all, a little hot dog, a little bread. We'll see where this gets us. May get us nowhere. It may get us nowhere. Oh, that's fine, there's some smallmouth in there. I had one for a minute there. Fall fish are funny because they're not stupid. Is that what I think it is? I think that's a bullhead. Y'all, I've never caught one of these before, and I would be so happy if I just did. Let's go! Let's go! This is my first ever yellow bullhead. Oh my gosh! It's adorable! Oh my gosh, new species! That is so cool. Caught him on the hot dog. Wow. Now, from what I know, these things have really sharp fins. So I'm trying not to get stabbed here, y'all. This is awesome, though. This is so cool. All right, y'all. Let me try to grab this guy without getting myself stabbed. Okay. This is incredible. Can you lip these things? I don't really know. That's awesome though. Let me just hold him up here so y'all can see him. That's a cool fish, y'all. I've never caught one of these before. I'm gonna get a quick picture and then let him go. All right, new species on the channel. Jeez, whoa, I ain't living in that hurt. All right, buddy, thanks for playing the game. That's so cool. I think this is a yellow bullhead. They're also coming brown, I think, but yeah, I'm gonna double check that, but that's so cool. This is my first ever bullhead. I had no idea. Wow, that's why you go fishing. I had no idea I'd catch this today. On the hot dog. All right, see you later, bud. Woohoo! That was crazy. That was crazy. What a time to be alive. Catfish on the line. Let's go. That's a good sized cat daddy. I'm making sure I'm recording because last time I wasn't. All right, we are recording. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a decent sized catfish. I did not think we were gonna catch one. Catfish are weird. Sometimes they're great fighters. Sometimes they really aren't. This is a big channel cat. Come on. I mean, this is what I wanted to catch today. This is great stuff. This is good television. Took a long time. I knew that that was a cat daddy when I hooked into it. It just felt bigger. He's huge. For the crick? Woo-hoo-wee. It's a big old boy. Come on in here, buddy. Dang. We got a couple rules. Mainly one, don't stab me. He's tiring a bit, which is good. He looks like... And almost got him. There we go. It's a big old boy. He's huge. I mean, dang. I never had a ruler. This thing's 10 inches. So there's 10, about 20 inches. It's over 20 inches. Probably 21, 22. It's funny, I can always tell where the bass fishermen are because we'll be out here lipping a dang caddy. Let me give y'all a good old look. That's a beautiful big fish. I mean, he's a big old boy. He's a big old boy. Like I said, he was over 20 inches. Look at that, yep. All right, friend. You know, some people eat these guys. Our creek just doesn't have that many of them. I think they're so cool, so I don't eat them. They also are one of the state fish of Tennessee. So Tennessee has 2 state fish. The smallmouth bass. And this guy. The big old channel catty. He's just skin hooked, which is a pain to get out sometimes. Because it ain't really in anything, it's just in like this flubberiness of skin. Got it. Give this guy one last look. It's a beautiful fish, y'all. That's a beautiful fish, and he's biting the crap out of me. It's a beautiful fish. All right, buddy, we're gonna let you go. Big old cat daddy right here. Woohoo, there he goes. That's awesome. Let's go. Dang. It's like, on that note, what do? Do I keep fishing or call it quits? Because that was a monster. That was a monster. My thumb is torn up. And I'm well aware that my thumb is torn up. It's 100% my fault because I hold catfish like they're largemouth bass. I think it's good time right now. I think it's cooling off a little. That was so weird. I just had a feeling like that hot dog was gonna work. Crazy. All right, y'all, that was a day. I mean, I caught my first ever bullhead. I've never caught one of those before, and I ended the day with like a 22-inch channel. I don't know that I've ever caught them that big in here. I mean, our creek is small. You can see it. It's not huge or anything. It's not real wide, and it's not real deep. So, 22-inch catfish is about as big as you're gonna get out of here. So that was awesome. Just a great day. Hopefully y'all enjoyed.